In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the best Midjourney promo codes for 2026. Now, if you're looking to save some money on your Midjourney subscriptions, you're in the right place. We are going to walk through a simple process to find and apply promo codes that can enhance your experience without breaking the bank. First, let's navigate to the search engine Google. You want to type in Cooper in the search bar. Cooper is a fantastic tool that helps you discover promo codes and apply them so you can start saving on your purchases. Once you've typed in Cooper, hit enter and you'll see a list of results. Look for a link that mentions Cooper's official site or related content. Next, you're going to click on the link that says Code Promo Midjourney. This will direct you to a page that's curated to find the best promo codes specific to Midjourney. It's worth noting that these codes change frequently, so checking back often can land you different and possibly better discounts. Once you've arrived at the promo page, type in Midjourney in the search field. This step is crucial because it narrows down the options to the specific service you're interested in and ensures that any codes you find are relevant. After typing in Midjourney, you will see an option to click on Midjourney itself. Click there, and you should be directed to a more focused list of relevant promo codes that will suit your needs. When you find a promising code that you want to use, go ahead and click on Get Code. At this point, the system might generate a unique code for you to use, so it's important to pay attention to these details. The next thing you want to do is copy the code by clicking on the Copy button. This is pretty straightforward, but making sure you correctly copy the entire code is essential to avoid any mishaps at checkout. Now, you'll need to head over to Midjourney's website and log into your account. If you're not already a member, you'll need to create an account, which is a simple guided process. Once logged in, navigate to the section where you can subscribe or renew your subscription. Here's where the magic happens. Find the section that says Add Promotion Code and paste the code that you copied earlier. This is your chance to see those savings come to life. Finally, after you've entered the promo code, make sure to click on Highlight or any similar button that activates the code. This ensures that the discount is applied to your purchase. And there you have it. By following this guide, you can enjoy Midjourney at a reduced rate. Remember, checking regularly for new promo codes can provide additional savings over time. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.